What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to review this cool machine right here behind me. It's the Omni X1. There are two models available, the Omni X1 Basic, and it does not include a screen, or the Omni X1 Pro like this one right here that does include the screen. Okay, so this Omni X1 is really sleek, as you can tell. I really like how space saving it is, and it looks pretty cool in my opinion. It's really compact, so it does have wheels in the back. It was easy to unpackage. It's ready to go when you take it out of the box. You just turn it on, plug it in, bring it down, and it's pretty much set. All you need to do is program the handles, the bar, turn it on, put on your settings. What's really cool is that you could just lift it up and flush it against the wall when you don't use it, and it's there and it doesn't bother you for anything. So it's really good for people who want minimalized training at home. You don't want to take up too much space. Okay, so when I first tried it, I was very surprised on how smooth and fluid it is. If you're used to traditional gym cable machines, sometimes it's inconsistent because as you pull, it might be different resistance as you start pulling it, but this one, it was fluid and smooth throughout the whole movement. So I'm very impressed. It just feels very premium. It feels like the perfect cable machine from start to end when you're actually doing the motion. Very, very smooth, really like it. You're able to control the settings on the type of feel that you like. Not only that, it's AI powered, so it has so many other features that you could do with it. It has a lot of smart technology that assists. A lot of cool features, but right off the bat, I do want to talk about this bench right here. It's really cool. It's very, very sturdy, and it does open up here so you could store all your attachments, for example, like your handles here. It does come with the two handles. And these handles are really cool because they have buttons right here that you could program. So the way you program is you just turn it off and on in the back and you just press on it. You're able to program these handles. Whenever you start or end your set, it actually turns on the weight and it releases the weight. So let's say you're doing a squat and you're reaching failure, you just turn it off and then you just release the weight. It's really cool to set up. The back one here also opens up here. And it does incline, so you have different incline positions. And there's more storage here. More storage here. It comes with a rope here and also with a dip belt, which is really cool. This dip belt is actually really cool for some of the lighter exercises I'll show you in a little bit. Really feels secure and safe. It also comes with the bar. Now the bar also does have this smart sensor here too. It's a quick release button right here. So the same thing, same concept with the handles. You press the button to activate the weight, and then you press the button to release the weight. So for example, if you're doing a squat, you're doing a bench, and you feel like you're gonna fail, you could just turn it off and on right here, which is really cool. It has really good grip. Okay, something really cool about this bar is that when you hook up the cables, so you could control the width and make micro adjustments on the cable system, just right here. Really easy switch, you just move it wherever, how narrow you want it. And then depending on the exercise or the feel that you want to do, it's really easy to move. So you could do your exercises, whether it's barbell curls, squat, anything like that. You could just adjust the width of it, which is really cool. Say I wanted to do a bench right here. So it does have this for the bar. So you can just put them right here. And this is where the bar's gonna sit. There's different settings here. You go down here or up high. Usually when you go up high is because you probably want to do a squat up there and bring it out. So once you turn it on, you just unlatch here. If you want to use the handles here, you just put these in, you pop these in. Now what makes this really cool and easy to move around, obviously you could do a lot of exercises here, but for some of the exercises, you're gonna have to move these either down here or down there. And it's very simple. We just move them up here and just bring it down. So you put them right here for some of the exercises. Or if you want to bring them all the way to the floor, you just bring it out and you bring it down here. And they easily move around. If you want to just bring it back up, you just take it all the way back to the top. You just open this up, really easy. And then just like that. So another feature here is that I have it set for pounds here, but if you come over here, these two buttons right here, and if you press them at the same time, you could turn it into kilograms depending on what type of measurement you want. And also to change the type of resistance in the movements here, this M right here, you can just press it and it'll run through all the options. for the type of resistance you want. You could control it on the screen, or you could control it over here, just in case for some reason if it's faulty, you have that option also. Now, another really cool feature that this has, it has these speakers. The speakers are actually really good. It gives you like a surround sound. I was very surprised. I hooked up my phone through Bluetooth. You just hook up your phone through Bluetooth, hook it up to the machine, and you'd actually put your own music that you want, whatever music you want to listen to as you work out, and it doesn't interfere with this system right here. Just listen to everything, and it sounds very good, very surround. You get a nice vibe out of it. Okay, so it does have this really cool interactive screen, and you can set up your profile here. You can type in your height, your weight. It'll calculate your BMI to see if you're in a healthy range. You can keep track of your workouts here from day, week, month, year. You know, keep track of all your progress and make it really simple. And it has different workouts also that you could do that they have available, like boxing basics, skiing, saltwater fishing type of workouts. A really cool feature that I like is these templates here. It has a few templates already there, but you could just add a template. You could add a template and you could add whatever exercise that you like, and you could create your own workouts, and you could have them scheduled, say like by day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And it's very easy to add and take away certain exercises, and you can save them there. So you have workouts saved and, you know, take away all the guesswork. The exercises are very easy to follow. Now they're separated by different movements. If you want to do chest exercises, shoulders, back, arms, they're all there, and it's very cool. What makes it really cool and very user-friendly is that it has certain workouts. It has a lot of workouts already built in, but you could kind of filter them out if you're kind of lost, if you don't know what to do. For example, all the workouts that are right here, you could just filter it, and you could just select what type of workouts. If you're a beginner, just select beginners, and they'll just show you beginner workouts or advanced. It also separates the type of training. So you could separate the workouts. If you want to do stretch a workout, you want to do a warm-up workout, strength workout, those workouts will pop up there as well. And also the duration. Say you want a 10-minute workout, a 20-minute or a 30-minute, you just select those, and then those options will pop up for you there as well. So it's very user-friendly and organized. I really like how this works. I like how everything is there to, you know, quick access to do the workout. Another really cool setup too is utilizing the bar and the bench. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just lower down here. Okay. To support the bar, we'll just bar holder right here. We'll bring the bench over. So we'll just hook up the bar here. Really easy to clip on each side. You just select the weight. But what makes this really cool is that it does have that button I mentioned earlier that's right here at your fingertips. So you just activate it with the button right here. So the weight's very smooth and very easy to adjust. I like how super quiet it is. Now, if you get in trouble and you feel like you can't put the bar all the way back up, say you're right here, that button is right here for you to press. And if you press it, the weight is released. So you could just put it back. It's a good safety button just in case. A lot of safety built into this. It knows when you're struggling, it knows when to stop, or also it has a button to press to just release the weight. So it also has these ankle straps, which are really cool, that you could hook on and hook up your ankles to. And they're really good for like exercises like glute kip packs, for example. You just hook it up here, set it up, find the exercise here on the machine. You start the workout, choose the weight again, the type of resistance. Really quiet, very good resistance. And you can switch off the type of resistance again. These are really easy to move around. They just slide over where you want to go. For example, like here, now we're going to use a belt that it also comes with. I'll just take it out. So this new belt is actually much thicker and very sturdy. It has a little bit wider in the back here for back support, which is really cool. It's very simple to put on. You just put it over your waist, you latch it on, and it has this strap here. So depending on the size of your waist, You could adjust it depending on your waist. You know, plenty of hooks down here, depending on what you want to do. Just lock them in, and then you just select your weight, activate it, and it plants you really well. You can just do your squats. And it just feels very smooth. The resistance is smooth all the way through from the very bottom to the very top. In any of these exercises, we could switch modes, and we could switch it to elastic mode, for example, and then you'll get a different feel. Be able to train differently. Say you want to do explosive squats. It's just a totally different feel, different options. And obviously there's so many more exercises that you could do that it includes here, and you could do on your own. For example, like Bulgarian split squats, utilizing this bench. As you see, it's very easy to hook on once you have that belt to do different exercises. You find the weight, the mode, you select the weight, you activate it, and then you just move into your exercise that you want to do. And the movement feels very smooth all throughout, very fluid, all the way from the bottom, all the way to the top. Versatility of this weight belt with the cable system makes it easy for you to transition from exercise to exercise. You don't have to really worry about grabbing different pieces of equipment like dumbbells, cables, barbells. This makes it a lot easier, and actually it's really good also for your back. You know, having this belt on really helps a lot. And as you can tell, it really doesn't make any noise. It's super quiet. Can't hear anything. So it's a plus to have something like this, not make any noise, you know, for you to be able to work out and early in the morning or late at night and not having to worry to wake up anyone in your household. And very easy access just to get everything set up instead of wasting time going from machine to machine. If convenience really matters to you, this is something that you might want to think about. It also comes with this really cool cable rope. You could just hook it up and do some of the exercises that you would traditionally do at the gym. For example, we could do a high cable curl. You select the weight. I really like the way the weight adjustments, how easy it is to go from like 5 pounds to 132 pounds. Very easy to move, and also to transition from the type of resistance, whether it's being a standard mode. This is very smooth and linear resistance for muscle building and foundational strength. And then you have the eccentric mode. The eccentric mode is kind of working the negative. It's more advanced performance training, especially for rehab, recovery. The third mode is elastic mode, which is more of a variable tension for explosive power and joint stability. The last one is an isokinetic mode, which is constant speed resistance to boost speed, strength, and power. Very easy to switch on some of the exercises you want to, depending on your goal and what you're trying to do, is very, very, very useful. Another cool option that it offers, I don't have it, but there's an option, is pull-up assist system. What it actually does, it's you just hook up an attachment, and it's a smart assist system, so it actually gives you assistance to get the pull-up. So it comes with the handlebars at the top that you could hook up, a platform in the bottom that you hook up the cables, and it actually assists you and determines the right amount of assistance to help you. And you can use it to progressively get better and better at pull-ups. It's a really great system for you to actually do the pull-up with some assistance where you're not able to do them yet. So if you want to maybe consider that, that's a really good option. All right guys, that was the Inno Gym Omni X1. Overall, I'm really impressed with the design, the user experience. I like how you could change the weight really super quick and with the type of resistance. I like how it's compact. I like how it's stable and sturdy. It's very wide, so it feels very safe. I like all the safety precautions that it has with the buttons on the handles, the bar, all the versatile workouts that you could do. The AI technology is really great on this. So if you're trying to get something that's very space saving, very high tech, something that you could just do so much to replace a lot of the gym equipment that you see at the gym, this is something you'd want to consider. So if you're interested in this and you want to order it, just click the link below in the description. And if there's anything else you'd like to see, my future videos, just comment below and I'll see you next time.